Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox assets not loading issue. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to right click on the Roblox player, then tap on properties. Inside here, simply tap on compatibility section. Now check both options. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. You have to check this both buttons, then tap on apply, then tap on OK. Now after that, you have to clear the cache on your PC. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then inside here simply search for %local app data %, and then simply select OK. Now in the folder that opens, double click the temp and find the Roblox folder. Now you have to go ahead and simply right click and delete cache from that folder. After completing these steps, check to see if the Roblox assets are now loading properly. That's it. Hopefully this fixes the issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.